Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor bam tagasngi. Katanat ka kot ka kya ka jela kan zasdang no ya ka jingai inject Tika yada ya ki Khyllung Hapoh ka Snem ha ka bayadei bar ka intensified mission Indranush 5.0 IMI 5.0 nadu ka nyutrik unaitung habaro ki jaka ajing sumar yatu mission director ka NHM Uram Kumar ha ka jingyalang barkilat pathai kubor hasilong klam. Ha katay ka jingyalang bala penyat da katanat ka kot ka kya ha ka jingyadon lang ka Dr. Valerie Lalu Specialist Community Medicine in Charge Immunization but uba David Lightflang President ka Khyllung Press Club Uram Kumar habaya kren ha ka jingyalang ka jingay inject Tika kaday ka jingyada ya ki Khyllung banat na ki jingpang ki badon ha ka med ki Khyllung namar omla bantip ka jingkala ka ayom. Syuk ka jing Tika ka bala penbet da katanat ka long nadu ka nyaw tering hadu khat arterik unailar bat kan sedang biang ha ka khatwe terik unailur khat ndriu terik unailur ka ba khat du ka dei ka benta ka balai kan sedang ha ka khandai hadu khat sau terik urisau arhajar arpulai ya gani ka jing inject Tika yada ka don kam ka jing trailang bat ki bor shnong kinong yalam niam bat katanat puli puthi ka jela pinsngo Uram Kumar IAS ka Dr. Valerie kayatu ka jingay Tika yada ne ka immunization IMI 0.5.0 ka dayban register yiki Khyllung ki baklempat yo Tika Hapoh ka UWIN on the ladep register on sa penbet pat yaka porban ay pinsngo ka Dr. Valerie Lalu.
To all of you as a medium, we would like to bring this important message of immunization in the for the state. Meghalaya used to be, we had a lot of issues on immunization, routine immunization, completing a certain set of immunization which are essential for children from 0 to various age groups, from 0 to 18 months and then 5 years and etc. We had universal immunization coverage of 55-56% in the year of 2019, even 2019. Then onwards, the state had taken certain measures to correct this immunization, and we had a focused approach on this. At the same time, a more inclusive approach of involving the ICDA system, the Anganwadi workers, community, collaborating with the rural development and everyone. And thereby we were able to improve the immunization from 56% to close to 90% plus. And we have been able to continuously clock close to 90%, 90%. We came during COVID period where everyone struggling for immunization. We were close to a national level and top second. We were there in terms of routine immunization coverage. We were able to utilize that and we were able to do that. And our infant deaths as a result also has come down over a period of time. In the last 3 years, you can see that there is a considerable reduction of infant deaths in the state. And we have taken the so-called rescue mission under the mother program of which our Honorable Chief Minister has launched. We have been able to bring down maternal deaths by over 40% in the last, compared to the last 2-3 years. In the last year, that is 22-23. This is one of the most significant drop in maternal deaths ever recorded for us in the state. And anywhere in the region, 40%, that is quite a significant number for that short period of time. We have been on a mission mode to reduce infant death and maternal death. This has been a priority of the state, the priority of the Honorable Chief Minister and our Health Minister also, that not a single child or a single mother should die for causes which are completely preventable. One of those easy things which is preventable for infant death is immunization, which we have seen works very well. It has been established across the world, across India, in various years, and etc. And we don't want even to have any child left out. Some might ask, okay, we have done our target for the Northeast region for immunization is already 85%. We are close to 90% now. Why are we doing this? We don't want a single child to be left out, or a single parent to lose their child because they could not get vaccinated. The message we would like to tell to the media and everyone is for the general public to have a more scientific approach, an approach based on facts, an approach based on science towards immunization, an approach based on the well-being of their children. There are still many areas and many families and many